Hi guys, there are many of you asking yourself how to transfer files from one drive to another. This video will guide you on how to move files from one drive to the other. First, learn how to use a computer mouse. You need to select the file or folder to save to the drive you want to transfer. For example, we will transfer the Windows 10 ISO file to the download folder. To check which drive this ISO file is stored on, click on the file, select the property, and then the location will indicate the location of the file that is being saved on which drive of the computer. Like this ISO file is being saved to the C drive. To convert one ISO file to another drive, click Select on the ISO file. When the file is selected, right-click on the selected file, then select Cut. Next, when you have selected a cut file or folder, you choose where you want to transfer the cut file as a drive D or E, depending on the drive of each of your computers. Once you have selected where to store the file, you right-click where you want to store it, then select Paste, and the file or folder will be transferred. If you checked, it was saved to the E drive. If you want to transfer folders or images, just like you want to transfer multiple files or folders, you can choose multiple files and do the same. The second way is to use shortcuts. If you have a friend who's quick with the keyboard, the shortcut will be quick. Similarly, you select the file or folder you want to move, then press the Ctrl+X key combination, then select the location of the drive you want the file to transfer, and then click the Ctrl+V key association ring, and then the files or folders will be transferred. With just a few simple operations, you can convert the archive directory of files or folders, helping to organize the data accordingly on your computer. If you see it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Hello, and see you again.